Chris, thanks for stopping in. So this is my collapsible light tunnel. This light tunnel will collapse in about 5 minutes, sets up in about 5 minutes. It weighs 80 pounds. It has 5 brackets on each side. You go through and you take those brackets off, then you lay the tunnel over on its side. You take the other 5 brackets off and the tunnel will collapse in on itself like a letter M. Once it's collapsed in on itself, it's only 5'4" by 3 foot wide and 6 inches thick. This tunnel will speed up your estimating a lot. This will give you back the one thing that you don't get during a hailstorm is your time. So you will be able to pull in into the tunnel right here. You'll put it right there at the B pillar, and you can walk around an entire car in about 5 minutes, do the circles of the car, get it all ready for a body shop estimate. So in each tunnel there's 4,800 LED lights. Each panel makes up 600 lights. There's 8 panels to make up one tunnel. This made out of aluminum frame with the polygal for the backing and spandex for the light diffuser. We like spandex because you can actually take the spandex off of the tunnel and wash it, get your tunnel back clean again. The tunnel weighs 80 pounds and can be moved solo. It's better to have 2 people to move it, but you can move it in and out of the truck by yourself. A lot of the feedback we're getting from the customers here at the Expo is everybody's really impressed with the lighting system, the way it lights up, how well you can see all of the dents on the car. My body shops and my insurance adjusters, they love it because it makes their job so much easier. You just walk up to the car, everything is taken care of. So you can go to thelighttunnel.com. We're selling our light tunnels there. They're $6,000 for 1 tunnel, $10,000 for 2 tunnels. People are really enjoying these tunnels. They speed you up so much on your estimating, which will make you money. It'll get you back onto your tools a whole lot faster than having to push a light around a car for an estimate. Chris, thank you so much for stopping in and sharing this video with all of your viewers.